Can the sun make you more productive? Yes, it can, and I'm going to explain how in today's video. And don't forget to subscribe as I release new videos each and every week. Hey, I'm Dan Henry. I'm the founder of, well, quite a few companies, including GetClients.com, best-selling author, investor, and a bunch of other stuff. Well, how did I get all that stuff done in such a short amount of time? Well, I learned how to be productive. And one tip I'm going to share with you today is how to be more productive by using the rays from the sun. So you may not know this, but sunlight actually increases your ability to sleep well. If you get sun rays hitting your skin and you get that vitamin D and that melatonin going, it's going to give you much better sleep, okay? And sleep is a major tool to being productive. I use what's called an Oura ring that tracks my sleep, my heart rate, my REM sleep, my deep sleep. And ever since I started taking a daily walk and I took my shirt off, well, I can't do it right now, it's a little cold, but I started taking my shirt off instead of wearing a shirt when I did my walk. And I noticed that when I took my shirt off and I had more of the sun hitting my body, my sleep levels, my deep sleep, my REM sleep, and my sleep optimization increased dramatically. And I was able to use this Oura ring here, which has attached to an app on my phone that allows me to track that. And I saw a distinct increase when I started letting more sun rays hit my body. And I don't know the exact science behind it, I'll have to look it up, but I know that it increases vitamin D levels, melatonin, and that helps give you better sleep. And if you have better sleep, you can focus, you can concentrate, and you can get more done. See, a lot of times we focus on parlor tricks to be more productive. We sit there and try to think of apps and all this stuff to be more productive and task manage. But the truth is that in order to be productive truly, you have to become a person that has productive habits. And you have to be a machine that can produce. And that means you have to get good sleep, among other things. But one of the most important keys is good sleep, because if you can't concentrate, you can't get things done. And if you want better sleep, allow the sun to hit your skin. It will definitely increase your sleep. Now, if you're wondering, wow, Dan, I didn't think of that, what other productivity tips, weird, unorthodox productivity tips do you might have? Well, guess what? That tip is actually one of the 90 tips out of my new product, the Plan Tomorrow Daily Planner. That's right, I've finally launched my first physical product. My new company is called Plan Tomorrow, and our first product is the Plan Tomorrow Daily Planner. It is a fantastic planner that I base my high-level CEO productivity on. We designed this planner from scratch. It's what I've used for the past 2 years to become massively productive. And it has over 90 productivity tips inside of it, including that one. Let more sun hit your skin. It'll make you sleep better, and then you'll get more done, be more focused, be able to concentrate better. If you'd like all those tips and you'd like my secret weapon to getting stuff done, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get a copy of this planner. It does come with a free productivity course. It's a very high quality planner. It's definitely not the cheapest, but it is the best. I'll leave a link where you can get on the waiting list for this planner when we begin shipping. So if you enjoyed this tip today, let me know in the comments. And also, if you live in a place where it's not very hot or there's not a lot of sun rays, even getting outside a bit more can still increase the sun's effect on your skin and your sleep levels. But obviously, the more you get, the better. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.